Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good and back to normal life. So in this video, I'm gonna show you my day care routine, my daily skincare routine. So let's get started. So the first step is my Estee Lauder face wash. So always you cleanse your face first, you wash your face first. So you can use any face wash. I am using this one. It's from Estee Lauder and this is perfectly clean and I've been using it for I think 7-8 months now and I am in love with this product. So our next step is toning and I am gonna use this. So basically you can use any product again, but I personally prefer this. So I'm using whole skincare thing from Estee Lauder. I believe in this. So what you need to do, so you pour some and you just wipe it off like this. And don't forget, it's your own face, so be gentle. I see people doing, it's not the thing you have to do with your face. Your face is so sensitive, so wipe it down very gently because I believe it's your own skin. Yeah, so don't do it like that. So our next step is moisturizing, and being a psychopath I believe, so I use whole range of Estee Lauder. You can use any moisturizer. So I am using this one. It also has SPF 15. So I am gonna use this. So don't do like this. Don't do like this. Don't put directly on your skin. So take some, put it on your palm like this, and then rub it like this and press. And then give your skin a gentle massage. So the next step is sunscreen, and here is a twist. I am using Clinique. So this is the twist. I am using Clinique for my sunscreen and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've been using it for 2 years and this is a really great product. It comes with a bit of a tint. I'm going to show you like this. So it's nice. Again, I'm going to take some on my palm and so I'm gonna give it a good rub. And do the same thing with my face. Ta-da! So today I'm gonna reveal a chotu sa secret to you guys why girls take so much longer time. So it's very important when you apply a product, the product actually need a time. So you have to give a good 2-3 minutes when you apply a toner or moisturizer or sunscreen or anything. So I am giving my skin a time. I have applied a sunscreen, so I'm just gonna apply a lip balm with another twist, though it's not a twist. It's my regular Clinique lip balm, and please don't take too much. It's gonna be too glossy and I am out of it. It's just not coming out from it. I'm gonna do my regular Indian thing. Can't stop. Yeah, so like this. I'm gonna apply the Bacha Kucha on my lips and gonna buy a new one. Okay then. So end of our video. Finally आपने झेल लिया मुझे, but there's still a last product left and it's a really essential product. If you use it in a night or a day, it's really important. So it's an eye cream with no twist. It's Estee Lauder again. So I don't sleep much, not because I work too much, because I use my phone too much. So I'm just gonna take this, if you can see this, and I'm just gonna dab it underneath my eyes. The skin underneath your eyes are really sensitive, so please be gentle and do not push this into your eyelids. Just use it like this and slowly. And then again. And it's done. I hope you guys like my videos, you like my work, everything. You guys inspire me a lot, like whether it's my friends or my family or the people whom I don't know. When you comment or you do subscribe or like my videos, thanks a lot. You guys actually do motivate me. So please do like, subscribe, and most important, love my channel. Bye bye.